Yeah, I
Can you
see.
please?
I think that it's a dining room because I think I see a table with three chairs, and I think near there is a kitchen. I think so, and some many planes. The windows, the white windows, and the planes, the planes, and is on the table.
Okay. So you can see in here, there's a window and then there's a chair. It seems that the playground is cozy, right? It's not that too, it's not, you can see that it's fresh. You can see greens outside, right?
Yes.
So we have different vocabulary. We have living room. Oh, is your living room, Tono, big or small? Oh, sorry. Is your living room big or small?
Is small. Is small.
Okay. Okay. Bedroom. How many bedroom in your house?
My hand has one.
One bedroom. How many bathroom?
One.
Okay. How many dining room?
Dining room. I don't have dining room because I eat. My family eats in the kitchen.
The kitchen. Okay. Yard. Do you have yard?
Yes. It's small but has the rock table.
How about garden?
Garden, I think is large and many plants is many plants. And my father, her plant, has someone, ha, um, has some fruit in
Okay.
there.
Garage. How about garage? Do you have garage?
No, my parents can, put their motor by in the young.
Okay. Tono, wait me for a minute because teacher Anne will just go to the bathroom. Okay, just a minute. Already. Okay, Tono, sorry, Tono, because teacher has a stomach ache.
Oh,
Yeah, I've got a stomach ache. I went to the CR and I pooped. Okay, so we have here. Tono, are you smiling? I went to the CR, Tono, and I pooped because I have stomach ache. Okay, armchair. Do you know what is armchair?
yes.
Okay, armchair. You know this. Bed.
Yes, I have two.
Okay. Bookshelves.
The shelf is next to my study.
Table.
Yes.
Okay. Like cupboard.
Cupboard. No, I don't have. My hand doesn't have cupboard, but had the cup shelves.
Okay. Okay. Next is mirror.
Mirror, I have two.
Okay, mirror you have two. And wardrobe.
I have three, one small, one medium, and one extra large.
One extra large. Okay, one extra large. Okay. So we look at this. This is a house. Okay, can you see? Now living room. So this is the greeting the guests, relaxing in and entertaining, watching TV, playing game. Okay. So you have to accept it here in the living room. Okay. So you have to take note that in the living room, it should be, it should have a chair. Okay. It should have a table. Okay. Next one, we have here the bedroom. Okay. Bedroom, sleeping, having rest, studying. So sometimes we need to take a rest and we need to have bedroom. Okay. So in the bedroom, we have to take a rest and lie down properly. Next is cooking food, preparing meal and washing the dishes. We can do it in the kitchen, right, Tono?
Yes.
In the bathroom, what we'll do? We will gonna have to
Take
take
a bath.
shower. What else?
Brushing teeth,
Brushing
washing
teeth and washing
um
our
my face.
face. Yes, correct. Okay. So we have here, oh, you know this already when you use there is only one, right? There is a pen, there is an apple. Okay.
Okay.
There are, it means many. There are pens. There are three apples. Okay, it means many. There are pens and there are three apples.
Okay.
There is plus uncountable noun. What do you mean by uncountable noun? These are the noun that cannot be counted. You cannot count the noun. Okay, it cannot be counted. Okay. There is a hot water in the bottle. There is some rice left on the plate. So you will use there is plus the uncountable noun water and rice. Okay, Tono? Okay, now please try to listen this one.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my new apartment, Mom.
I liked your old apartment at 24 Oak Street better.
That's because you live at 22 Oak Street.
Your old apartment had such a nice view.
The view here is nice too, Mom. The park is just across the street. And my office is around the corner.
Nice refrigerator. It's very small, isn't it?
The refrigerator?
The kitchen.
It's a little small, but I like it. There's the dining room. the office, and the living room.
The chairs are nice. I like the sofa. Why's the dresser in the living room?
There's no place else for it to go.
But where are the other rooms, honey?
Mom, it's a studio apartment. There are no other rooms.
This is it?
This is it.
But where's the bedroom? Ta-da! I'm afraid to ask about the bathroom.
Oh, Mom. I think it's nice.
Okay, so you can see in the picture that the room is just too small. It is a studio room. Okay, in the studio room, okay, so it is just too small. Okay, so please try to read this one. Tono, read it properly, ha? After you read, you have to, oh wait, after you read, you have to tell teacher I'm finished so we can answer the questions. Okay? If you're done, you tell teacher Ann. Wait lang.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, next one.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so here in the task, we have here questions, okay? So 7 questions and I will play the video and after that, you will have to answer the questions in the chat box. These questions can be found or the answer of the questions can be found in the video, okay? Ready, Tono? Ready? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, there is no video. Okay, oh my God. I will play the video again here. Okay, this is the
You
last.
can give me a
It's okay. It's okay, no video. You can answer properly. Or one more.
no.
Okay, wow, very good. So this talks about Cheryl and her mom. Okay. Okay, so this one. Please try to answer. Okay, 7 only.
I'm finished, teacher.
Done now?
Yes.
Okay, where is the answer? Okay, number 1. Okay. Oh, it's 24. Okay, street. It's okay, street. Where is Cheryl's old apartment? Okay, Cheryl's old apartment is, okay, let us see. Okay, 24 Oak Street. Okay, very good. Okay, that's old. And the new apartment is, it's 22 Oak Street. Okay. What is the address for Cheryl's mom apartment? It's 22 O Street. Okay, very good. Next. Does Shira's old apartment have a nice view? Yes. It's across the street. Where is the park? The park is just across the street. Whose office is around the corner? Whose office is around the corner? It is whose office? It's
Mm,
Shira.
yeah.
Okay. What does Shira think about her kitchen? Okay, it is so small. Okay. And why is Shira's dresser in the living room? Because Shira doesn't have anywhere to move it. Okay, because she does not have place where to move it. She doesn't have any place where to move it because the apartment is just very small, Tono, right?
Yes.
Now, Tono, please listen to the people talking about their new apartments. What do they already have? Check the correct answer.
Okay.
1. Becky.
The bookshelf looks really good in the living room, and the TV is just fine. When I find a stereo, I'm going to put it in the bookshelf. I don't have a stereo now because I want to find a cheap one. I'm going to check out the sales next week. I've got a dinner table, but I still need a sofa. Now I have to sit at the dinner table to watch TV. My living room is small, so I want a small sofa.
2. Paul.
If you have an old bookshelf you aren't using, I'd be really happy to buy it. I haven't been able to find one that is the right size. All the ones I looked at were too big. Right now there are books all over the floor, but I managed to pick up a really good TV and stereo at a yard sale last weekend. I still need to find a dinner table. All the ones I looked at in the stores were too expensive.
3. Sarah.
I was thinking about getting a bookshelf, but I don't have many books yet, so I guess I can wait. I was lucky. I got a really cheap used TV the other day. It only cost $50, and it works really well. It's nice to have something to watch. Right now, I don't have enough money to buy a stereo. The dinner table is very nice and big enough for 6 people. I bought a cheap sofa, too. It's really comfortable.
4. Sam.
The bookshelf is good, though it's probably a little too big for the living room. I need a TV, but I'm waiting for the new models. I have a good stereo, so that's good. However, I still haven't bought a dinner table. I saw a great one last week. The sales clerk said that they're having a big sale next week, so I'm waiting for that. For now, I'm eating my meals while sitting on the sofa.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, one more.
No.
Paul is, there's a TV, there's a stereo, and Sarah has TV and dinner table. Okay, Sam has what? Sam has a bookshelf, and Sam has a stereo. Okay, very good. So these people, they're talking about what is new in their apartment. Okay.
Hey.
What appliances? Okay, as an answer. What is your dream house, Tono? Or if teacher Anne will ask you, what do you think is your dream house?
My dream house. My dream house is a medium house, about 2 floors. But mother and has the bedroom to rest. But I love kitchen. I think it's medium or small is okay. and I want to have a balcony. And there has some planes. And the living room has a sofa and dishes.
Okay, so that's it. That's your dream house. Okay. If you could change anything about your present home, what would you change? If you could change anything about your present home, what would you change?
I will train the bedroom because I have one, but I want to have a big bedroom, but one, and have 3 or 2 the bed, and has has my table study table.
Okay. So your house is small or big now?
Yes.
It is small or big? What do you think?
My house now is small, but if I can train anything, I will I train big or medium to have a living room and have a garden, have a yard, big yard.
Okay. Do you like to keep cats in your home?
Yes, I like to keep the cat.
Okay. So how about dog? Do you like dog?
I like dog too, but I think that they they had many hit they kill, I but sometimes they very are angry, and I don't like it very much. I like cat because uh tall they fast, but I like to their turd and um their I don't know.
Okay, you like dogs and you like cats, but you like cats more, right?
Yes,
You like cats more. Okay.
very
Uh,
sweet.
is every house a home? What makes a house into a home?
Mm, I think is no, because somehow it's not fully in there. Okay, every years in and some house are not good, and my home my real home is so the family or somebody will stay with me.
Okay. So what makes a house a home? So one thing, a house is just a building. When you see a home, Tono, there is the mother, this is a family inside the house. We call it home. If there is no house, I mean, if there is no family, there is no people living inside your house, we cannot call it home. But if there is a
Yes.
family living in your house, we call it home. Okay, Tono, please remember that
Yes.
one. Okay, describe your house in 7 to 8 sentences. Wala ko, one. Okay, namig. Love you. Ano ka? Kabataan. Ang kapatid. Ang asang lang gusto. Kamunas ka. Kasi mapalitan silang 500. Nandoon. Tapos, sobra ito. Ha? Sando nga nga na sando? Ano nga sando? Ha?
Fitness teacher.
Okay, finish. Okay, so here, wow, you have a very long descriptions. My house in a small neighborhood. My house is small. There is a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. My yard is medium and has a rock table and two rock bench. I have a big garden, many plants, and some fruit tree. My house doesn't nice, but it's very but our family is happy living together. Okay, like this.
Okay.
My house. Okay, that's it. Yay. Okay, please read. Oh, close the door here. Okay, so no, there is a very, it's the weather, there's a rain outside. Okay, so thank you so much, Tono, for today. And Tono, teacher, and we'll see you on when? When will I see you?
Monday.
Okay, Monday. Okay, I will see you on Monday. Okay, thank you. 5 p.m. again, ha? 5 p.m. again.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Tono. Bye-bye. Great job for
Thank
today.
you.